Hello everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am going to type in a very brief little program from the TI Home Computer Users Group News Digest. This is from September of 1988. This is a very short program, just a 7-line program. It requires extended basic, and it seems to be some sort of Sprite demo. So I'm going to type the program in, run it, and see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, let's get into TI Extended Basic. Here we go. And let's start typing. This should not take long to type this in. Increments of 100 here. 100, call clear. The author of this is not totally clear, by the way. The article that it appears in is by Lou Amadeo, but it says this program first appeared about 4 years ago, but it doesn't say whether he's the author or not, so a little unclear who the exact author of this one is. Okay, 200, call screen 2. That changes the screen color to black. 300, call magnify 2. So larger sprites, I believe. 400 for x equals 1 to 26. For x equals 1 to 26. 500, we have a fairly lengthy line here, so 500, call Sprite, pound x, excuse me, 64 plus x, integer of x divided by 2 plus 3, comma, 10, 10, 20, 10, 10, 20, 104 minus 8 times x. Okay, I think we got that right. We'll check it before we run the program. 600, next x, and our for next loop, and 700, go to 700. Okay, let's just double check line 500 real quick. 500, call Sprite, pound x, or number x, excuse me, 64 plus x, integer of x divided by 2 plus 3, looks good, 10, 10, 20, and 104 minus 8 times x, no parentheses there, and then in parenthesis for the end of the line. I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and run the program. I don't really know what to expect here. Let's see. Oh, check it out. Hey, this is a cool program. Yay for Sprite demos. This is very happy. It's all letters of the alphabet. Check it out. I like the design. This is cool. For a little 7-line program, it's amazing what you could make these old computers do in 7 lines. It's kind of mesmerizing. I know I want to put together a compilation of a TI Basic and TI Extended Basic screensavers. It's kind of mesmerizing. I'm trying to get a few screenshots. I don't know which one's going to be the coolest screenshot, but. So it does say to experiment with the values in line 500, so maybe we'll do that here in a minute. We'll let this run for a minute. Seems like, is it me or the letters always have the same colors? Yep, like J and K are always cyan. Yep, so might be fun to randomize the colors a little bit more. Not bad for 7 lines of extended basic code, huh? Yeah, the TI-99 was a pretty powerful system in some ways. It was lacking in others, but with extended basic, you can do some really cool things with sprites. It's not spectacular with sprite collisions, but it runs really well just keeping those sprites moving. Yeah, it's a cool little program. All right, well, let's see what we can, let's end the program. Let's list it out. So it says experiment with changing the values in line 500. Okay, well, let's see, what values could we change? We could change the sprite numbers. So we're looping from 1 through 26, so we could get a different set of characters. And it's been a while since I've used Extended Basic, and I'm getting back into it. So the colors must be, yeah, this must be the color, I think, maybe? That would make sense. Let's try changing, call sprite, let's see, sure, number X, comma, oh, I don't know, let's do 42 plus X instead. That'll start with an asterisk, I believe. Actually, 41 plus, that way we get an asterisk. Unfortunately, we have to type the entire line here. Integer. We have to get line 500 in there. 500. Call sprite. Number X. 41 plus X. Integer. Oh, I am hell-bent on making typos today. No space there. Number X. 41 plus X. Integer of X divided by 2 plus 3, 10, 10, 20, 104 minus 8 times X. I love these little formula-based demos. They're, you know, it's not always easy at a glance to see what exactly they're going to do. That's what I think I like about their kind of emergent behavior is fun. Let's see what we get here. Oh yeah, so we just get a different set of characters now. Starting with the asterisk, because I knew that was number 42. That's fun. It would be fun to like add an extra loop in there to, you know, rotate through the characters. So every time, just get a total jumble of all the TI-99 characters. That would be cool. Maybe I'll revisit this one and use this as a starting point for more demos. But I want to start putting together an archive of TI Basic screensaver-like programs. Not just demos, but screensaver-like programs. Well, that was fun. Let's. I want to save the program here. So let's change it back to its original version. Call Sprite number X, and it was. Let's go back to the program here. Remind myself. 64 plus X. Integer of X divided by 2. Plus 3, 10, 10, 20, 104 minus 8 times X. So let's start the program. Run it once more to make sure we got the original program back. Yep, looks good. Get a couple more screenshots here while I'm at it. I like when they kind of band together and swoop in like that. There you go. It's cool looking. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and save the program. I'm just going to call this Sprite demo, for lack of a better word. So save. I'm saving these in DSK2 Sprite demo. Okay, that should do the trick. Let's type new old DSK2 Sprite. Let's make sure it loads. Sprite demo. Run. Yep, and there we go. Runs just fine, so that worked. All right, well, there you go. That was Sprite demo, for lack of a better word. Doesn't have an actual title. That was from the TI Home Computer Users Group News Digest. This is from Sydney, Australia, I believe, in September 1988. So hope everyone enjoyed that one. If you're watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Zachary Fruhling, my real name, or under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos and a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, I see a couple of people watching right now. Same thing, check out my YouTube channel for all the above, and if you catch me streaming on Twitch, say hi, and feel free to participate in the chat in any way you see fit. But in any case, I appreciate the follows and likes, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these very challenging financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.